Clever and affordable home organizing ideas can really help you to keep your stuff well organized using some ordinary items with a mix of expert organizers at home. When you properly organize your things, you spend less time looking for them and more time in enjoying your life. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a few more home organizing hacks which will help you out in organizing your home. Along with that, I'm also sharing some cleaning hacks. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
If you remember, I had covered this kitchen door with the curtain in one of my kitchen makeover videos. That time I had used command hooks to hold them. But as I said then that the command hooks do not hold the thread properly and get off from the hooks in some time. So I came across on Amazon about this product, which is a curtain rod holder. Just remove the peel from the back, clean the surface and then just stick it on. Leave it for good 2 to 3 hours and then you can use any rod. Just fix it on the slot which is provided on the holder. Now here I want to share one amazing product. So this basically is a tension rod or an expendable curtain rod. I got this one from IKEA 3 years back and I had never used it and somehow I lost the clamps which hold it from the end. So this rod opens up according to the space you have to hang the curtain and the end clamp nicely over the wall. This is one of the best products if you're looking for a curtain rod without drilling holes on the wall. As I said, I lost the end clamps, so it was not getting fixed on the wall. Now take the rod, expand it as much as you need and nicely put it over the hooks. And you're done. Now it gives a nice effect overall. I guess you might have noticed that when you sit on a chair to relax, the chair just moves a little from its place. It not only spoils the overall arrangement around it by displacing the other artifacts from their places, but could simply be irritating as well. But you have a solution. You can use this silicone anti-skid furniture leg protection cover. Just simply put it under the chair legs and you can make your furniture anti-skid. In one of my previous videos, I had shared a product which is floor protection pad. But it was not anti-skid, especially with lightweight furniture. It's important to use this which you don't want to move around and make it anti-skid. When you need to shift the furniture, just remove it and move it around. Non-slip bottom pad can prevent scratches and the noise without leaving marks. If in your closet you have space like this which has more height, no matter how much you try to keep it organized, you will all agree that vertical spaces in this kind of shelf always gets wasted. If you want to utilize the vertical space, then use the curtain holder which needs no drill. Just remove the peel from the back, clean the area where you need to fix it. Now you can use any extra pipe. In this case, I have used the PVC pipe which was lying at my place. Just put it on the top of the curtain holder and voila, you are done. Now, you have your own DIY hanging space ready where you can hang your saris or dresses or whatever you need to. Isn't it just the perfect way to make the best use of vertical space in your closet? We all love to decorate our home and you will all agree here that when we make the arrangement from real flowers, the whole area just stands out. And also I got many questions related to these flower arrangements in my home. Do these flowers dry out fast? How to keep them fresh for longer? So here I am sharing one of my all-time favorite flowers, the daisies. So why do I like them so much? Because these flowers are really easy to maintain and once they start drying out, just remove them from the water and keep them in an empty vase. These flowers will dry and become more like paper. Then just keep them wherever you want to and decorate your home. I have many bedsheets in my home and sometimes the impulse buying leads to the case when the size doesn't fit properly on the bed. And then the whole day I just keep on arranging them from the sides. These bed sheet clips really works wonder. It's easy to put on and keeps the sheet in place, and no more fixing of sheets required at all. Simply insert the sheet holder under the mattress. Now put the sheet on the holder and then use this button. Just press the button up to the lower hole and secure it. Now, no matter how much a child is jumping on the bed, the sheet will stay in its place. This is how it looks in the morning after I started using these sheet holders. Just remove the wrinkles from the top of the sheet and voila, no more fixings from the side required anymore. If the bed sheet is big enough, don't use them. But if the sheet are small, use it to secure the sheets. Most of the dust is caught by the mesh doors, and especially in summers when wind flows fast, it traps all the dust. Now, when you clean it with any kind of brush which has bristles, it does the job, but creates more mess and increases your job for cleaning the floor as well. You can use the lint rollers. Just simply roll it over the mesh door and it will trap all the dust. The best thing is this, it can be done even if you have cleaned your whole house. It will not create any mess, won't make your floor dirty. Now, see the amount of dust it has taken out from the door. The dust will stick to the lint roller, which makes it even nicer to use it. Change the sheet and use it again. Whenever you see the mesh doors dirty, just grab this one and clean it. Whenever you see any oil stains on clothes, don't wait for much time. Otherwise, later it will be a difficult job to get rid of them. Whenever the oil spills on your cloth, just throw talcum powder over the stain. Wait for a few seconds and scratch the powder away. And later to clean your clothes, just wash them in your washing machine as you regularly do. The talcum powder will absorb all the oil and help to remove it from the cloth. Alternatively, if you have chalk around you, you can use that also. Just rub it on the oil mark, or you can also make a powder. The chalk will absorb all the extra oil from the cloth. These few handy tricks can really help with tricky oil stains and can also save a lot of money in dry cleaning of such minor issues. Now that the schools have started again and we all are coming back to our normal life, this hack might be useful for the moms with kids going to school. I know the grass just comes and gets stuck in these velcros in the shoe, and removing them one by one is really a job of a lifetime. And also, if not removed on time, this can really spoil the velcro fast and then you need to buy new shoes. So to remove them quickly, just take your tape dispenser and use this side of the dispenser from where you cut the tape. Just scratch all the grass from here and in just few seconds your velcros will be free from grass and they will be new and ready for school again. This idea might be useful for those who are staying in rented accommodation. When you hang your TV on the wall and no matter how much you decorate the space around wires, it makes the whole decoration look bad. To hide them, you may use this kind of wire organizer which nicely hold all the wires inside them. It has this back cover where you get many slots to fix the wires inside them. Stick this back cover on the wall with the adhesive provided and fix all the wires in the slot. Once when you're done, use this top cover to nicely secure everything inside it. Now, you can use as many as you want to hide the wires around your TV unit. Using this organizer can really make it even more safe for the kids. This will make the whole area look nice, neat, and organized.
So this is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these products useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.